Front desks are busy. Phone calls, guests being checked in, equipment being handed out, things can get pretty hectic quickly. That's where Checkfront comes in. Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm the training lead here at Checkfront, and I'll be walking you through how to get your staff up to speed quickly. There are three main ways we see staff interacting with Checkfront: making new bookings, checking in guests, and then managing those bookings. So let's take a look at all three. We'll start by creating a new booking from the dashboard of your Checkfront account. If you haven't set up your dashboard yet, check out my other video on optimizing your Checkfront dashboard. To create a new booking in Checkfront from the dashboard, select the date that the guest would like to book in the calendar widget, and then press New Booking. You'll then be taken to a filter view of what's available that day. Then simply fill out the booking flow on behalf of your customer with the information that they provide. You'll want to collect their email if they'd like to be sent a copy of the booking invoice. Once completed, click Continue. You'll then be taken to the booking invoice. If you require payment at the time of booking, you can click the Add Payment button and then enter the customer's card details. The booking is now complete, and the customer will have been automatically sent an email confirmation. Let's head back to the dashboard. If you want to look up an existing booking for a customer that is checking in or wants to make changes, you can use the search field at the top right corner of the page and search them by name, or find the recent booking in the booking widget of the dashboard. On the main page of the booking invoice, you can check the customer in and out, add a note, and send a direct email. You can also check guest details here to see who's completed their information and waiver if necessary. If you need to cancel a booking, click the booking status and select Cancelled. If the customer has already paid for their booking, you may want to issue a refund. Click the Transactions tab and simply click the Refund button. Ensure the amount that you wish to refund is correct and click Refund. If you want to make changes to a booking, you can edit their booking information and purchases from within the Edit tab. Click on Change if they'd like to make an update to their booking, or click Add Item if they'd like to add an item to their booking. If you add an item, you'll likely want to use the Add Payment function to complete a new payment as well. To send a customer a note or a copy of the invoice, click Email and select Include Invoice in Email. The other ways to locate and create bookings can be found under the Bookings menu dropdown, including the brand new Daily Agenda. In no time, you'll have your staff up to speed on Checkfront, and for more information, you can check out our knowledge base or reach out to our friendly support staff at support@checkfront.com.
So
Was it good?
Use it.
Okay, let's do one that's in order.
Yeah. That's what it was.
Like knowledge base or support. All right, email us at this thing.